Hi there, my name is Ranjit. In this video, we are going to check how we can install Sevit on a dedicated server. Sevit is a free and open source app for SMS marketing. The Sevit project is maintaining the CodeWAF team. Let's get into the video. I'm going to install Sevit on this virtual private server. It has Ubuntu Focal. Let's go to the installation documentation. You can find the Sevit project from the CodeWAF organization on GitHub. Go to the installation on dedicated server documentation. Sevit has some server requirements to install on a dedicated server. Node.js 16.14 or later, PHP 8.0, Composer 2.3.3, cron, a database, and a web server. I'm already installed those on my server. Let me confirm that. So the server meets the requirements. Now we can start the installation. Download the latest Sevit release from releases and copy it into the server. Then unzip it from the server. Rename it to Sevit and change the directory to it. Now we can configure the environment variables. To do that, we can copy the sample configuration file .env.example file to .env. And then open the .env file in an editor. Set the domain name to app URL. I'm not changing the app user's username and password. For the database, I'm just changing the username and password. I'm skipping configuring the Twilio API credential from this video for security reasons. Everything looks good, so saving the file. Now we can install backend dependencies by running this command. Generate an application key by running this command. Set up the database by running this command. Type yes to forcefully run it. Run the following command to optimize configuration, route and view. Now we can install front-end dependencies by running this command. Create a production build by running this command. We need to set a cron job that runs every minute to execute this command to process our scheduled task. Let's create it. Replacing the project root here. Set proper permission to storage and cache directories by running these commands. Let's configure the engine's web server by setting the public directory as the document root. You can find sample engines and Apache configuration files from the root of the project. Using the sample engines configuration, replacing the domain name and document root path. And then saving it. The installation process is completed. Now we can go to our domain name and sign into Sevit using the admin username and password we had set on the .env file. Let's check it. This is the domain name. This is the username and password. Let's do it. Yes, we successfully installed Sevit and signed into the administration console. Thanks for watching this video. You can check the Sevit project if you found it helpful for SMS marketing to boost your business. Sevit is an open source project, so you can install it and use it for free. I hope this session is helpful for you. See you in another video.